Arms directly from the car key. Must need the tag present to disarm it. Shock tilt and motion at the front. Dual shock at the rear. Very loud at horn. So if we break into it, so I'm just going to do a little few rundown videos and show you how the immobilisation works. I'll take the battery out of the tag so there's no authorisation. If I just arm the system, I've got the horns off at the minute because this has got extremely loud dual horns and an air horn as well. So this really does blow the windows out. So if I break into it, the alarm will now go off, obviously with no sirens, just to please my neighbours. If we try and start it, nothing at all, we're completely dead. So I'm just going to rearm it. This time I'm going to unlock it with the car key so it passes stage 1. So this will pass stage 1, it will allow it to start, but obviously we won't be able to drive it because we haven't got no battery in the tag. So now it's past stage 1 as authorisation. So now we can get in the vehicle. Vehicle will start, but if we try and select gear, it just puts it back into park. Cannot drive it away. Completely locked out. It's now doing a countdown looking for the tag, giving the owner time to realise they need to get their tag. It's getting faster. It's now warning us. The horn will be, and sirens will be going now. And it'll go to full alarm and shuts the vehicle down. It's now calling the customer's phone. So this is the multiple layers of immobilisation, just to show you what's going on. So I better just stop this. I'm going to rearm it, introduce the tag. So that's it, double beep, seeing the tag, allows us to start, and we can select gear. So multiple layers of mobilisation. Interested in getting your vehicle secured, give us a call, Tony Elite Car Security, 0333 012 9028.